Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel. So today we'll be drawing a candy corn, and before we start, I hope you like this video and you please follow with me and please subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below and like. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna use a pencil, but all of these stuff that I have, we're gonna use today. I'm gonna use a pencil because if you have any mistakes, you can erase them. First, I'm gonna draw a dot on my paper. Then, I'm gonna curve so I can make a candy corn. Next, I'm gonna measure the length of the dot here. And I am going to do the exact same thing. So listen, it doesn't have to be like it doesn't have to, the line has to touch the dot. It's like to know where I have to stop. Now let's curve to make the candy corn look nice, because in a normal one, you don't see like a real candy corn straight. So that's the first step. Now we're gonna take away our pencil and use a black marker. We're going to trace over our candy corn. Don't worry, this dot's gonna disappear when we start coloring. Now we're done. Now we're gonna use an orange marker. And we're going to make a line so we know where we're gonna color. And then we're gonna use yellow. Okay, so now we're done with these. So now it's time to do the eyes and the mouth. We're going to draw an eye. There's another one. Now in our two eyes, we're gonna draw a big ball inside and a small ball, as you see, and do the exact same thing here. And then we're gonna color. Now we're gonna color the other one. Now it's time for the mouth. We're gonna draw a little tongue sticking out, like a U shape and a straight line. And remember guys, if I'm too fast, you can just pause the video. And now I think it's time to color, so let's get started. First, I like starting like from first to bottom, so let's start with the red for the tongue. And now let's see what's next. Listen, one of my coloring is optional, as I say, the white. I'm gonna color in this, like the first shape, to make it look nice and bright. It looks bright. I don't know if it looks bright from the camera view, but it looks bright enough from real life. So now we're done with the white. Now it's time for the yellow. Now, we're done with the yellow. Now it's time for the orange. I actually like the orange because it's at the bottom. And we're done, you guys. So now that we're done, I hope you liked this video and followed with me. If you want to see more videos of my fantastic drawing, please subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. And please share it with your friends. And have a great day.